Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm having my driveway resurfaced. So I hired a company called CNY Driveway Doctor out of, I think he's out of Brewerton, New York. So this guy travels all over kind of central New York area and fixes gravel driveways. So he just left. It looks amazing. So I'm going to show you what it looked like before, and then I've got some video of him doing the actual job, and then we'll wrap it up. So here we go. Alright, so here's my driveway. As you can see, there's lots of weeds here along the foundation. I actually dug this all up yesterday. Wasn't sure how close he'd be able to get to the foundation, so did a whole bunch there. That was a whole patch of grass. I don't know, I went a little crazy. This used to be all gravel. That was gravel right up to the pavement, and then the gravel shot straight back in between the shed and the garage there. I spray painted this. I'm not sure if I want him to do that, or right here is where the driveway used to be. So somewhere in there, and then back into these weeds here. And as you can see, this was all gravel, and it all looks like lawn. So we're gonna see how this works. And then it cuts in here over to this driveway stake and back to the house. So we shall see. And then as you can see where Piper's sitting, there's another little spot of grass. She actually likes this spot, but it's gonna go away. Huh, you like that spot, don't you? Huh. Here comes the gravel guy. Hey, if you're enjoying this video right now, go down below, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And when you do, make sure you ring that notification bell so you can be notified when I release new videos. Well, here we go. Here's the finished driveway. I'm gonna get my truck and drive over it a whole bunch of times. His big tires, you know, they're just big tractor tires, so my truck tires will pack it down really good, and it looks really nice. See here, it's right along the edge here. We cut back some of that grass and widened it a little bit. We were able to get it over here pretty close. And then we were able to get in here. I pulled some of these patio stones out of the way so he could get right in here. So just got to put those back in. And get this all done here. Looks super duper good. Alright, so that's it. He's all done. Looks amazing. I'm super impressed. Thank you, CNY Driveway Doctor. I'll put a link down below for him if you want to check him out. And yeah, I'm super happy. I can't even, I'm just like too happy I don't even have words right now. So thank you, and if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Did I already say that? Doesn't matter. Leave me a comment anyway. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.